everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Claude AI to build a website from scratch, and even if you don't have a strong coding skill. Let us get started. First, open Claude AI. On the main screen you will see the prompt area that says how can Claude help you today. Before writing anything, choose the response style and set it to concise for cleaner and more structured output. Now you can start your prompts. For example, you can say, I want to create an e-commerce website. I want a modern design similar to clothing store website. Please help me generate the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript code. Once you send the prompt, Claude will start generating the code for your website. Sometimes it may refuse to copy exact design from existing companies. In that case, you just adjust your prompt and ask for a similar but original design instead. Claude will then generate a complete website template, including layouts, styling, and a basic functionality. Next step is testing the code. Copy the generated HTML and the CSS code. Then open an online HTML editor or compiler. Paste the code into the editor and run it. You will immediately see a preview of your website, including layouts, button, and a structure. From there, you can continue improving it by going back to Claude and asking for changes like adding shopping carts, improving the design, or making it mobile responsive. Finally, once you are happy, you can publish or host your websites using platforms like Netlify or GitHub pages. That is it, how you can create a website using Claude AI in just few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.